Don't open that.
You have access into the bathroom here.
What's that?
This is a haunted house, but traditional wholesaling. That's all most people know. What if we smacked traditional wholesaling and did a new concept called Wholetail? This property right here, we just purchased it for $125,000. In this vlog, I'm going to tell you how to smash traditional wholesaling and turn the wholetailing route to make over $50,000. Let's get into it. So that's it, guys. So we just purchased this property for $125,000. So let me break down everything with the seller. Let's have a quick tour of the property and let's get into it. But before we go into it, you better smash that like button and subscribe to get more videos from me. All right, guys, so it's true. We got another vlog for you. Again, I only want to do these vlogs for like the $50,000 and up properties just to show you everything that we're legitimately doing. Now, this deal was probably one of the toughest ones I've had in the entire year. There were so many other wholesalers going after the seller. The seller was driving me nuts. I actually had to go to this property 4 times to meet with the seller to actually get the deal. But a quick overview of it. The seller actually needed to sell the property because they're moving into a new house and they needed the money really badly, and this whole COVID stuff was driving them crazy. They had 4 different roommates in the property, and as you can see here, it needed some issues. It had some issues with it. So what I did was I knocked on the lady's door. She opened it, I came in, I walked with her, talked with her, I built lots of massive rapport with her. She was a big fan of her 2 little chihuahuas, so I built a lot of rapport just talking about the dogs and how much I love dogs too, because I'm a big dog person. At the end of it, we did a little tour around the property. She had a table right here. We sat down because that's where she was most comfortable with. I talked to her face to face, and I got the best price possible. So I asked her again what she needed to sell the property for. At the beginning of everything, she told me, you know, Zach, I don't know how much I want to sell this property for. And I said, okay, you'd be willing to take $100,000 for it. It was such a stupid low offer. I had to make sure she was going to say no. And she said, no way, Zach, why would I ever take that? She was considering kicking me out of the house, but she came to her senses. She was at $155,000 for the property, and I met her at the middle at $125,000. At the end of the day, we locked up the deal. We had a lot of wholesalers coming in trying to steal the deal from us. But at the end of everything, we came to the deal. We just closed it. So this is actually the first thoughts I am at the property. We just unlocked it and we did a little walkthrough. But this is the first time I'm back with the property ever since meeting with the seller. So Rick's the cameraman today. So say hi.
What's up, guys?
So Rick's actually never seen this property. This is the first time he's seeing it. Again, we're getting a little cabin fever going on right now.
It's interesting.
So we got a little cabin fever. So
Show him the pool.
He's going a little crazy. So let's do a quick tour of the property. I'm going to show you some of the things I talked to the seller about, some of the issues that I got a better price on, and I'm going to show you some of the benefits that we're doing very well on. So as you can see here on the inside and the outside, this house was built in 1966. So it's a very old house. It's concrete block, so here in Florida, it's pretty good. The ceilings are a little low, but I've seen a lot lower. Rick's a little taller than me, so he can tell you about low ceilings. Yeah, so let's do a little tour of the property. The first thing that comes out in mind are these floors are literally terrible. I don't know, are they pink? Are they tan? Beats me. But this house is straight out of 1966. Times have gone. JFK is not the president anymore, so let's bring it to the new age. So honestly, this is a classic wholesale deal where I could literally throw this on the market for $175,000, $180,000 and make around $50,000 on it.
So you're not going to fix the kitchen, Zach?
I'm not touching this kitchen. I mean, it's so weird because if you look at this right here, it's all like old. Like, have you ever seen like flooring like this?
No, you just let somebody else rehab it.
It's so weird. It's like, yeah, I don't even know who designed this. This is some like Pablo Picasso stuff. But you see the flooring here? I mean, it's all brand new. Like the flooring's brand new.
So this is what kitchens looked like in the 60s. They were just basic.
So, I mean,
it's a galley style kitchen.
So come in here, I'll show you this. I mean, there's some little minor issues on it, but not too bad. So there's a little laundry room in here. and they had some person living in the garage here, so
It's a garage.
it's honestly a garage. So this house was built in 1966, but there is central AC in the house. I had to actually ask her. So the central AC actually got shot, so that's why she has window units all over the property. So let's look at the bedrooms real quick. I mean, it's pretty standard. So let's show you the master. So that's it. As you can tell, she loved dogs. When you see stuff like this, guys, on your appointments, you need to pick up little sudden clues like this. Like, Love has 4 paws. You know she's a big dog fan. Going around here, this is pretty standard. You can see something like this too. This is another, like, little, these are the little hints that you guys need on the appointments that gives you a huge advantage over other sellers. You can see she has a quote here from the Bible. If you are very religious, sometimes you want to put in a little God bless at the end of everything, really help everyone out here. And this is it. I mean, you got a standard nice view of the pool here.
Don't open that.
You have access into the bathroom here. Access into the bathroom here. What's that? This is a haunted house, but so this is the bathroom. A little weird, but
It's a nice shower.
got a little doggy door in here. Just gotta cover that up. So that's it. I mean, that's the bathroom. It's actually not. This bathroom is actually not too bad. And then just a second bedroom here. Second bedroom in here, pretty standard. And then we got this bedroom in here, which is pretty standard. The flooring's all messed up in here, but the big bathroom. I don't know what's going on with pink in the 60s, but they liked it. So let's show you the pool on the outside. But this deal was so difficult because I had to go back multiple times with her just to reassure that I was purchasing this property. It's actually cooler outside than it is in there. So she did have a daughter that was disabled. So this is a lift for someone in a wheelchair. It doesn't add any property value. So what we're gonna do is just gonna take a chop saw, cut that out, and we should list it on the market. But this pool's actually in really good condition. Pools are always the biggest thing that worries me on these properties, but this one's really good. Like, you see a problem with the pool here?
Nah, it looks good.
It's good to go. So that's it. We got some weird green tiling in here. I'm not going to touch this. And then we'll show you the outside real quick. I'll show you my favorite part of the house. So that's it, guys. So this is the outside. My favorite part about the property here. Nice avocados. Rick, think fast. What are your thoughts on this property?
It's a little rough, but it's perfect for real estate investing. Remember, we're not living in it, and we're not going to do any rehab to it. So I think the most we're going to do is cut a pole down, and she's already taken the garbage out of the curb, so the hardest part is to put it on the market and just get the highest and best offer. So easy deal. Do not rehab these properties. It's a waste of time. So my tip is to sell it as is or go all the way. So we're going to sell it as is, and no, we're not going to wholesale it. We're going to wholetail it. See you guys.
Thanks guys so much for watching this video. If you like this, please like and subscribe. We're gonna go show you the entire journey of this property. So what I'm gonna do is basically I'm just gonna put it back on the market probably tomorrow or the next day, and we should make the 40-50K. So it'll be a short vlog. I'll probably give you a quick video just showing the HUDs and everything. But that's really it, guys. I really appreciate it. Have a good day.